Let's go run Loskop.
Your way. Here's your song to inspire you for your 50Ks ahead. New Orleans one more time. Boxburg, Hauser. Randburg Harriers, good morning. Stickies runners. Stanford, followed column. There are the 6 hours.
Joy.
10 kilometers in, time 48 minutes. 18 kilometers. What a member! Show, grand! Go! 20 kilometers in, time 1 hour 41 minutes. 25 kilometers, time 2 hours 2 minutes. It is the halfway mark. Hello, ma. Eighty kilometers in, time 2 hours 26 minutes.
Ai! Let's go check my hiluta right now.
All right.
No, my friend.
Eish. Awunalutho. Kodwa incenga siphelile. Sure. Kilometer number 35, time 2 hours 55 minutes. Here we are reaching the poly shorts of Loskop. I will walk this one. I'm gonna walk this one. I know. Hey, walk number 1. Here on kilometer number 36. Uyehlela udonsa kanzima. Uyenyukela udonsa kanzima. "40 kilometers in, time 3 hours 16 minutes. 10 kilometers to go. Marathon mark, time 3 hours 13 minutes. Yeah. 8 kilometers left. Three kilometers to go. Phezu kokugijima kwami okungaka, intombazane engidlule ngathi ngimile. Kodwa-ke, we are not running for people. It is an individual sport. 48 kilometers. 2 to go. Into kufanele niyifunde. If you are cramping, awumo stretch. Just walk. Walk forward. Usizo uzolithola phambili. Ukuyilula ungakafika i-finish line, you're wasting time and uyilulele into engeke izilunge. Just walk it kancane. Usizo uzolithola phambili. 49 kilometers, time 4 hours 13 minutes. 1 kilometer left. 9 out of 10. Pelile, done. Hola.
Van Jabula Mabazu, Lazarus Ladino, Keith Plunkett, Brendan van Wyk and Gareth Bowery. Gareth, you beauty. Nice going, buddy. Proud of you. That's a good run. 4 hours, 19 minutes and 30 seconds.